Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily fix your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro not connecting to your iPhone. So many reasons why this could happen, but I'm just going to troubleshoot everything in this video, and hopefully by the end you'll be able to connect your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro back to your iPhone. So first things first, we're going to open up settings, we're going to find Bluetooth, and we're just going to turn this one on, and you're going to see your old AirPods should show up as connected right here. If they don't, then just skip 30 seconds or so. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unlink our AirPods or AirPods Pro to our iPhone. So to do this, we'll just tap on the I, forget this device, forget device, and then forget device again. And now it's been unpaired. And we'll just do it for this other pair of AirPods. Fun fact, I connected to this random person's AirPods inside the school and then started blasting ear rape. That's those person's AirPods. So we'll just forget their device. We'll worry about them another day. So let's have one forget device. Right, there we go. Now once we've done this, what we're going to do is we're just going to navigate to the home page. And we're going to open up our AirPods lid. And we're going to hold the back button, you can see right here. And you want to hold it until you see not your AirPods Pro or some pop-up which has the option to connect. So then we're just going to tap on connect. Just make sure you're holding the back of the AirPods case until we see the screen right here. And once we see this screen, we should be successfully connected. So let's try that again. Let's see how this goes. I'm not holding the back anymore, by the way. And there we go. Now you can see we have a green light. And it seems like we've successfully connected our AirPods Pro back to our iPhone. So temporarily share audio. We'll just tap on connect to iPhone. And we'll just close out of this. So you can see now my AirPods Pro have been successfully connected to my iPhone, and now we're good to go. So very quick tutorial. I can make it 5 minutes, I can make it 10 minutes, but let's just get straight to the point here. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. See you guys later. Bye bye.